Former Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh has filed an application at the Esplanade Court for cancellation of the non-bailable warrant and order of proclaimed offender against him. Parambir Singh was declared a proclaimed offender last week by Magistrates Court in Mumbai. The non-bailable warrant was issued in a case against Parambir Singh registered at Goregaon Police Station on the complaint of builder-cum-hotelier Bimal Agarwal. Along with Parambir Singh, the FIR also names dismissed police officer Sachin Baze and 4 others: Sumit Singh, Alpesh Patel, Vinay Singh and Riaz Bhatti. Agarwal had alleged that Parambir Singh extorted Rs 9 lakhs from him for not conducting a raid on 2 bars and restaurants which he ran in partnership, and also forced him to buy 2 smartphones worth around Rs 2.92 lakhs from them. The complaint alleged that the incident occurred between January 2020 and March 2021. The Union Health Ministry has issued an alert for the B.1.1.529 variant of novel coronavirus. Detected recently by scientists in South Africa, the variant is characterized by a very unusual constellation of mutations. Union Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan, in a letter to all states and union territories, wrote, "This variant is reported to have significantly high number of mutations and thus has serious public health implications for the country in a view of recently relaxed visa restrictions and opening up of international travel. Confirmed cases of the new variant have been reported from Botswana, South Africa and Hong Kong." As farmers protest against Centre's 3 farm laws clocks 1 year today, the security has been tightened up at various border points of Delhi borders. The police on Thursday said that the security has been beefed up with the additional deployment of parliamentary forces along with police personnel at the spots where protesting farmers are on a sit-in. The police also held a meeting with farmer leaders in this regard, PTI reported. Special Commissioner of Police Dipendra Pathak said, "Adequate security deployment has been made and there will be close supervision by senior police officers on the ground. We are using professional policing to avoid any untoward incident. We are also talking to the farmers and persuading them to cooperate with us." The farmers have been campaigning at 3 border points of Delhi, Singhu, Tigri and Ghazipur for the last 1 year. Retired Assistant Police Commissioner Shamsher Khan Pathan has claimed former Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh destroyed a mobile phone seized from 26/11 terror attacks convict Mohammad Ajmal Kasab. Pathan had submitted a written complaint to the Mumbai Police Commissioner in July and asked him to investigate the entire matter and take necessary action against Singh. Though Pathan's complaint was submitted 4 months ago, it was widely circulated on social media on Thursday, the day when Singh appeared before the Mumbai Crime Branch to record a statement in an extortion case registered at Goregaon Police Station against him. A delegation led by opposition Congress leaders Siddaramaiah and D.K. Shivkumar on Thursday met Tawarchand Gehlot and submitted a memorandum seeking imposition of President's rule invoking Article 356 of the Constitution of India for the failure of constitutional machinery in the state, referring to the Karnataka States Contractors Association allegations on payment of 40% of the project cost to government officers and elected representatives to get their dues. The delegation in the memorandum also requested to order for a judicial probe by sitting judge of Supreme Court of India on the allegations made out by the above association in their memorandum dated 6 July 2021 submitted to Prime Minister Narendra Modi.